the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Saucy. Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be bossy. Without further ado, I'm introducing Saucy.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making Puerto Rican rice and beans. These are the ingredients that we're going to be using. We're going to be using adobo with the light salt, garlic powder, 2 cans of the pink beans, tomato sauce, SAZON, also the ham flavored, 2 potatoes, long grain rice, and also SOFRITO. I like to use the red and the green, and also olives. Okay guys, I washed a cup of the white rice and put it in 2 cups of the boiling water. So this is what you want to do first. And you're going to cook your rice for about 15 minutes. Once it starts boiling, lower down the temperature to medium and let it simmer. Okay, we could put our lid back on. Next guys, I had peeled and cut the 2 potatoes. Make sure to rinse them off. Okay guys, now your 2 cans of pink beans, you want to rinse them off and then add them to your pot with 1.5 cups of water. Now we're going to go ahead and add our 8 ounces of the tomato sauce, the whole can. You also want to add a teaspoon of the adobo, a teaspoon of the garlic powder. You also want to add the sofrito. I like to add 1 heaping tablespoon of the red and also the green. You want to add your pepper, a little bit of that in there for taste. A 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, 2 tablespoons of olives. You want to add your SAZON, 1 pack, and also the ham flavor, 1 pack. Now go ahead with your 2 potatoes, also put them in. Okay guys, now go ahead and mix everything around real good. That looks so good. Next, you're going to cover it. You're going to let it come to a little boil. You're going to cover it, put it on low to medium for 30 minutes until the potatoes are cooked. Okay guys, our white rice is done, so we're going to go ahead and turn that off and just put a lid over top. Okay guys, taking a peek at the beans. They look and smell amazing. Look at that. put our lid back on. Okay guys, I have 2 chicken breasts here, which I'm going to cut in half. They're going to be seasoned with garlic powder, onion powder, adobo light salt, and also black pepper. And I'm going to use SAZON to give them a little bit of color. SAZON has like an orangey color. And I am going to pan sear them. Okay guys, these are what the chicken breasts look like after they're seasoned. Remember, you can use whatever seasoning you like on yours. And please make sure you check on your beans as they're cooking to make sure they're not sticking to the bottom of the pot. I have my pan right here heating up with a little bit of olive oil in there for the chicken breast. Okay guys, I placed my chicken breast in the pan. I'm going to lower down my heat to medium low. I'm also going to place a cover over top of them. Okay guys, our beans are done. They smell so good and they also taste good. The potatoes are cooked all the way through. Now I'm waiting on our chicken breast. Our chicken breasts are coming along nicely. Hey guys, the chicken breasts are done. I cooked them 20 to 25 minutes. Okay guys, here you have it. Puerto Rican rice and beans and pan-seared chicken breast. Thank you for watching again. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Please like and subscribe.